What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're seeing quite the bounce right now for BTC. So I'm going to give an alternative bullish scenario. We do have some news with Blackrock, the Blackrock ETF. So that may be causing the spike. But we'll take a look at the analysis quickly. So we're seeing at 26.3K, we're up almost 5%, 512 billion. We already talked about this in the previous video. 17.42 billion trading volume. Let's pop into the chart. So if we invalidate, because previously we were looking for ending diagonal, that was the one. Here is your wave 2, came down in a 3. But a wave 4 invalidation for an ending diagonal is a break above the wave 2, and we've already done that. Technically, this isn't quite enough of a break in my opinion, because it's only a little bit of a wick. However, if we see, and then coming down to wave 5, however, if we see a clear break, I'm going to go over a bullish scenario. So this would be your ending diagonal. Wave 1 down, wave 2 came down in 3, pulled back in 4. That was the wave 5. That's the alternative. If we do see a straight breakout, because we have met the target that we're looking for at 24.7K. So what we have to do is first break this invalidation level at 26.4. My laptop is telling me it's low battery, and I do not want it to die during the filming of this video. Unfortunately, the outlets here in Nigeria are not the same as we have back in Canada, and I have an adapter, but it can be a little bit tricky, and right now it's deciding to be extra tricky. There we go. Okay, let's try this one. There we go. Plug it in. Okay. My apologies. So if we can see a 5-wave impulse clearly break above 26.4K, then we can focus on a bullish scenario. As I mentioned, we are looking for a fake out to the downside and then seeing a push up. We are getting that push up. Right now, it's not enough to convince me of a bullish move and that it's starting. But if we get a clear break above 26.4K, and we see a 5-wave impulse, then we could definitely consider that the low is already in and Bitcoin's going to start to break out. So I just posted this in the Discord. Let me scroll up here. So the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. This could be the news that's spiking the price. One of my fellow traders here just posted this for me. A lot of people in my Discord will know who this is, WTE. So the gold ETF was introduced here, and then it went parabolic, and we're looking at a possible Bitcoin ETF being introduced. So hopefully we go parabolic, just like gold did. I would absolutely love that. I miss when we were parabolic. So that's, if we get rejected here, we can still come down. But if we can create a 5-wave impulse, then it's definitely possible that the low is in. We retested the level we were looking for. I said if we break below the weekly chart, we'll be down there for a week, 2 weeks, and then break back above it. And I still think that's a high probability, and we are going to push up to the 40K range in a wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm looking at. We are in 4 long trades right now, so if we do break out, I would love to see it, but we need confirmation. I need a break above 26.4 and a 5-wave impulse to confirm a bullish move. Otherwise, we can still come down to our target zone. All right, guys, that's it. Quick update. As I mentioned, we are in 4 trades. You can get a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. If you sign up to BitGet or Bybit, I do the majority of my trading here on Bybit. Email me. Your sign-up email takes 2 minutes, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays forex signals and analysis. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.